Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about three important news in crypto world. The first thing is that Bitcoin's critical $66,000 level. The second thing is why Ethereum whale just dumped $55 million worth of ETH. And the third things are mixed signals coming from the broader crypto market. So these three things we're going to talk about. Today is July 19, 2026, and this is Alex Simex Crypto channel. So subscribe and like this video. Okay, so let's start with the first news. The Bitcoin is currently trading at around, I think, $64,700 and $64,900, which is about 1% up on the day. Nothing dramatic. But here's the thing, Glassnode's chief analyst is watching the $66,000 level very closely. And just a quick note, Glassnode is basically the gold standard for on-chain data in crypto. They are tracking if whales are moving, exchange flows, investor behavior. So when I say Glassnode, I think it's solid intelligence, something to be cautious, something to listen about. The next thing is that the new buyers are piling in. A Bitcoin climbed from 57 to 62 to 65,000 range. That could form a new support base. But here's the catch. I think most of this buying happened near the peak of the current rally. If Bitcoin fails breaking $66,000, I think we could be looking at a local top formation. So $66,000 from many aspects, I would say, is the key level to watch right now. So that's it about the Bitcoin. The next thing is Ethereum. And this one is interesting. A whale just sold $30,000 ETH, which is about $55 million. They did it through Galaxy Digital OTC desk, and the funds were converted to USDC and then moved to the Coinbase. And also this comes as Ethereum is struggling below $1,900. I think it's about $1,868, which is about 62% from its all-time high. So pretty far away. But here's the interesting stuff. On one side, there are whales that are distributing, and on the other side, they are taking massive long positions. Two new wallets just sold 72 Bitcoin worth about $4.6 million and also opened a 20x leverage long on 12,000 ETH, and that's about $22.4 million. So we got whales on both sides. So these are also mixed signals, so we can only guess what it means. The next interesting thing is that the broader market is showing some weakness, I would say. Spot trading volume has dropped to a 7-day average of just 21.4 billion. That's not a good thing. And that's down nearly 80% from the peak, which was in October 2025. And also funding rates for both Bitcoin and Ethereum are still in the bearish zone, below 0.005%, meaning derivative traders aren't chasing this rally yet. That's also not a good signal. And one more important news, Kimchi Premium in South Korea is still negative. Bitcoin is trading at minus 0.65 discount on Korean exchange compared to global prices. And Ethereum is also minus 0.57%. And to remind you why is this important, and it's also negative news, well, that's the price difference between crypto on South Korean exchanges and the rest of the world. When it's negative, it means that retail demand is cooling off, which is at this moment. So that's why it's not a good thing. So on one side, we have some good news, on the other side, negative news, just like in life, right? So that was it for today. Thank you for being with me. Subscribe to my channel, like a video if you liked it, or drop a comment what you didn't like. Thank you for being with me.